Now we will find the direction of magnetic force by using the right hand palm rule. For right hand palm rule, you have to place your thumb in the direction of current. You place your thumb in the direction of current and fingers in the direction of magnetic field. Suppose magnetic field is in this direction, so I place my fingers in the direction of magnetic field and thumb upwards in the direction of current, and where my palm points, that indicates the direction of magnetic force. So by using this we will find the direction of magnetic force, and now we check the examples by using the palm rule. Now we will discuss the same earlier example with the right hand palm rule. In the first case, magnetic field is inwards. So I place my fingers in inwards in the direction of magnetic field. Inwards, and my thumb points in the direction of where the charge move, means current. So I place my fingers inwards and thumb in the direction of V. Now where the palm points, so palm is going like that, upward. So force in the upward direction as we did in earlier. Now in the second example, magnetic field is outward. So I place my fingers outward, fingers of right hand outwards. Now this current or the motion of the charge is upward and magnetic field outwards, finger. Now the the palm points this way. So palm points in this way, so magnetic force is in this direction. So we can find the direction of magnetic force by Fleming left hand rule and right hand palm rule. And this is the shortcut method. You can choose any method to find the direction of magnetic force. Thanks.